Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all my beloved students. How's life? Hopefully you are all always in Allah's protection. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Well class, before we start our English class with Mom R, let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, in the last meeting we have learned about present continuous tense. Apa itu present continuous tense? Suatu tenses untuk menggambarkan kejadian yang sedang terjadi saat ini. So, artinya sedang. Contoh, saya sedang membaca. I am reading. Saya sedang makan. I am eating. Dia sedang menulis. She is writing. Rumusnya dapat disimpulkan. Yang pertama adalah subjek, lalu diikuti to be, is, are, plus kata kerja bentuk ing. Oke, sekarang kita akan membahas tentang past continuous tense. Perhatikan kalimat-kalimat berikut. Nobody was at home yesterday. I was going. I was going. Lalu, my mom and my dad were attending. Mom and dad were attending. My brother was going. Lagi, he was doing. He was doing. Lagi, I was still working. Oke, bisa nggak kalian bikin kesimpulan formulanya? Pasti bisa. I, my mom and dad, my brother, he, I, itu adalah subjek. Lalu, was, were, was, itu adalah to be. Selanjutnya, going, attending, going, doing, working, kata kerja bentuk ing. Jadi, kesimpulannya, formula dari past continuous tense, subjek, to be-nya was were, kata kerjanya bentuk ing. Bedanya apa sama present continuous? Bedanya kalau present continuous, to be-nya is, are. Kalau past continuous, to be-nya was dan were. Was dipakai buat apa aja, mem? Was dipakai buat subjek, I, he, she, it. Sedangkan were dipakai buat they, we, you. Coba perhatikan contohnya. The others were just sitting and chatting. Others were sitting, chatting. Others subject were to be, sitting, chatting, kata kerja bentuk ing. They subject were to be, waiting, kata kerja bentuk ing. Bentuk negatifnya subject they, were not, negatif, waiting, kata kerja bentuk ing. They subject were to be, waiting, kata kerja bentuk ing. He subject was to be, going, kata kerja bentuk ing. Coba diperhatikan. To be was dan were, verb 1 tambah ing. Untuk was, subjeknya I, she, he, it. Untuk were, you, we, they. Ini dia. Subjek, to be, verb ing. Contoh, Emma was watching television. The children, karena children banyak, to be-nya were, pakai playing. The children were playing football at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Kalau tadi kan bentuk positif, sekarang bentuk negatif. Bentuk negatifnya tinggal tambahin not setelah apa? To be. Subject, was, were, not, verb 1, ing. Gitu ya. Subject, was not, were not, verb ing. Contoh, I was not doing. They were not playing. Sedangkan interrogatif bentuk pertanyaannya dibagi menjadi dua, yes no question dan WH question. Kalau yes no question, pertanyaannya apakah, cuma butuh jawaban yes or no. Diawali dari to be-nya dulu. Was atau were taruh depan, lalu subjeknya, lalu verb ing. Ingat, was untuk subjek I, he, she, it. Were untuk you, we, they. Okay. Contoh pertanyaannya. Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Was he sleeping? Apakah kamu tidur? Sorry, apakah kamu sedang tidur? Was he sleeping? Apakah dia sedang tidur? Kalau pakai WH question, tinggal tambahin WH question ya. Apakah mau pakai what, where, how, why, who, how. Terserah bentuk pertanyaan yang mau kamu pakai. Lalu to be, subject, verb ing. Contohnya kayak gimana? What itu adalah kata tanyanya ya, WH question-nya. Lalu to be-nya were, subject, baru kata kerja ing. What were you doing? What was she doing? Nah, ini dia yang ingin saya lebih bahas detail. Jadi, past continuous biasanya tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Biasanya dia dibantu dengan satu kata dalam bentuk past tense. Dengan menggunakan kata bantu penghubung when. Contohnya, I was walking. Past continuous kan, digabung pakai kata when, I saw. Past tense kan pakai kata kerja kedua ya. Saw two men, two angry men. Oke, contoh lainnya. Jadi, nih contohnya. Kalau ada kata when, di belakangnya itu diikuti past tense. When you came, came. Kata kerja kedua dipakai buat past tense. Came jadinya. Kamu apalin ya irregular verbs di rumah, nanti saya kasih. Jadi di depannya pakai past continuous. I was reading a book. Pakai when, belakangnya past tense, you came. Lagi, my little brother was drawing in the morning. Nah, lagi kalau bentuk not-nya tinggal tambahin not. Was not. Gitu. Terus ada lagi pakai while. Bentuk pertanyaan. Kalau pakai while itu dipakai diikuti past continuous. Contohnya, while she was cleaning the whiteboard, the teacher came. Kalau pakai when kan, when diikuti past tense. Kalau pakai while diikuti dengan past continuous. She was cleaning the whiteboard, when the teacher came. When di belakangnya past tense. Kalau misalnya pakai while gimana? While she was cleaning the whiteboard, nggak pakai when, langsung the teacher came. While she was cleaning the whiteboard, the teacher came. Kalau pakai when, she was cleaning the whiteboard when the teacher came. Gitu ya. Kalau misalnya masih bingung, kita bisa diskusi di WhatsApp. Oke? Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.